In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your to-do list with free Trello features, 5 minutes. First, head to Trello.com and log in. If you're new, a free account is all you need for everything we'll cover today. Once you're in, create a new board. You'll find the option to create at the top of the homepage. Choose board, pick a simple background if you like, and give it a clear name, something like My To-Do List, so you can find it quickly later. With the board open, set up your workflow with a few lists. Start with backlog for everything that's on your radar but not yet scheduled. Add to do today for the few tasks you intend to finish before the day ends. Finally, add done for completed items. This 3-list setup keeps things simple, focused, and visual. If you already have a structure in mind, feel free to adjust the list names to match your routine, but keep them minimal so you don't spend time managing the system instead of your work. Now add your tasks as cards under the appropriate list. One task equals one card. Use short, action-oriented titles like Write Report Draft or Call Supplier. If a task belongs in the backlog, drop it there. If it's a priority for today, place it under To Do Today. Click into a card to add helpful details. Use the description to capture context or instructions. Attach files or paste links you'll need so everything lives in one place. If a task has multiple steps, create a checklist to break it down. Checking items off inside the card gives you progress without cluttering your main board. Next, use labels to add quick visual meaning to cards. Labels can represent priority, category, or status, whatever makes sense for you. Choose clear colors and keep your conventions simple, like red for high priority, yellow for medium, and green for low. Consistency is key, so you can scan your board at a glance and know what matters most. From here, manage your day by moving cards left to right. Start each morning by reviewing backlog, pull only a few realistic items into To Do Today, and focus on finishing them. As you complete work, drag cards into Done for a small hit of motivation and a record of progress. If Done gets crowded, archive older cards to keep the board tidy. That's it, your streamlined Trello setup using only free features.